As we enter part 3 of our course, focusing on generative AI, let's take a moment to reflect on a significant milestone in AI history. November 2022. This was the month when AI truly took a leap forward with the launch of ChatGPT, which saw an astounding 153 million visits on day one alone. From that point on, the world saw just how powerful and accessible AI could become. In December 2022, ChatGPT's popularity surged, reaching 265 million visits. By January 2023, traffic had more than doubled to 615 million visits, showing the rapid adoption and fascination with this technology. The growth didn't stop there. In February 2023, ChatGPT hit 1 billion visits, earning the title of the fastest-growing consumer app in history. By March 2023, it reached a peak of 1.56 billion visits. And even in June 2023, it maintained its position as one of the most visited web domains with 1.5 billion visits. These numbers aren't just impressive. They highlight the massive impact AI is having on our daily lives. This is why understanding generative AI and AI in general is so important. The technology is not only here to stay, but is rapidly becoming a central part of how we live, work. Now, let's talk about large language models, or LLMs, which are a powerful form of generative AI focused on natural language processing, understanding, and text generation. So, how do they work? LLMs are trained on massive amounts of data and use a technique called self-supervised learning. This allows them to predict the next word or token in a sentence based on the surrounding context, making them incredibly effective at understanding and generating human-like text. To give you an idea of their impact, LLMs like OpenAI's ChatGPT have been revolutionary. In fact, ChatGPT has become the fastest-growing app in history, reaching 100 million users by January 2023, just a couple of months after its launch in November 2022. The cultural impact of LLMs has been profound. Bill Gates called this technology revolutionary, and Credit Suisse described it as transformative. We've even seen AI-generated content, like an imitation of Eminem rapping about cats, that highlights just how far this technology has come. And it's not just fun and games. LLMs have proven their capabilities in serious contexts too, like passing challenging exams, from the Uniform Bar exam to the S8, GRE, and even the Wharton MBA exam. This shows the incredible potential of LLMs in various fields, from education to professional certifications. In short, LLMs are changing the game in how we interact with technology, and their influence is only going to grow from here. If I have to explain, LLM is a simple way. Imagine a person who has read most of the information on the internet. They can remember key information, understand the basic structure of how content is generated, grasp grammar intricacies, and recognize the kinds of questions people ask and how they receive answers. This person, with their vast knowledge and understanding, becomes an invaluable resource for others, able to quickly provide accurate information, offer insights, and generate coherent responses to a wide range of questions. Similarly, a large language model, LLM, can help a person by serving as a digital counterpart to this knowledgeable individual. The LLM processes vast amounts of text data, learns patterns, and generates responses that are contextually appropriate and relevant. It can assist with answering questions, providing explanations, generating content, and even offering creative ideas, all by leveraging its extensive reading and understanding of language, much like the well-informed person in the analogy.